Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the Bar Council exam. First, you need to thoroughly understand the exam structure and the specific subjects it covers. Develop a comprehensive study schedule that allocates sufficient time to each area. Prioritize active learning techniques, such as practice questions and essay writing, over simply reading materials. This approach ensures deeper comprehension and better retention of complex legal concepts. To truly master the material, consistent practice is key. Dedicate time each day to completing multiple-choice questions, aiming for both speed and accuracy. Regularly write full-length essays under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. Crucially, review every incorrect answer thoroughly to understand why it was wrong and to fill any gaps in your knowledge. This iterative process builds confidence and improves performance. Passing the bar exam isn't just about legal knowledge. Your mental state is equally vital. Ensure you maintain a healthy lifestyle, including sufficient sleep and nutritious meals. Integrate stress reduction techniques, like short breaks or mindfulness, into your daily routine. A positive mindset is a powerful tool, so trust in your preparation and believe in your ability to succeed. This holistic approach supports peak performance. As the exam approaches, focus on a final review of high-yield topics and your condensed outlines. Meticulously plan your exam day logistics, including travel arrangements, what to bring, and your meal schedule to minimize any last-minute stress. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. On exam day, stay calm, read questions carefully, and apply your well-honed strategies. You've prepared for this moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.